Spread betting. Margin calls. How margin requirements and margin calls work. Let's take the case that you've put £5,000 into your trading account and that using this capital, you've opened up several spread bets for a total initial margin requirement of £2,000. Let's examine the table below. This table will act as a guide, or rather an illustration, of how we will perform in the event of making a profit or a loss. As soon as your account has a net negative balance, your spread betting provider will ask you to deposit some more monies so that your free margin remain positive. Margin calls. Always take the call. Don't turn the phone off. This is especially important if the margin call is big. Sometimes I need time to work out what monies need shuffling where and how long it will take to move. So I call back after working out an action plan. When you have a big margin call, you need to have a credible plan for dealing with it. Just asking for more time in the hope that the market goes your way is not an option usually. If you can't meet your margin calls, then you can be closed out of a position immediately. Do watch out for margin rate changes. Now, this is another reason why you don't want to be over leveraged. Here's an example. I know of a trader friend whose margin ratio for one of his small caps tripled from 25% to 75%, which forced him to cough up £40,000 within days. If you can't meet this call, expect to be stopped out without mercy. Keep your word. Only promise what you can deliver and always do what you say you're going to do. This carries a lot of weight with spread betting companies, as after a while, if you build a reputation of being someone who is good to their word, then you're more likely to be looked after in difficult times. Communication and honesty are the key. Spread betting tip. Don't rely on margin to stop you out of trades or you will end up broke. Always leave some extra monies in your account to cover any small price movements against you and to allow for normal volatility. To limit your losses, make use of stop loss orders. An instruction to your provider to close out your bet once the market price rises above or falls below a certain level. For more information, visit www.financial-spread-betting.com.